Place a pot with a little water on the fire and heat to a boil. While the pot is heating, in another bowl, pour the eggs and add the sugar. Whisk the eggs and the sugar until well incorporated. We take the mixture to a bain-marie in the pot that was heating. Here we stir, we do not whisk. In this way, the mixture warms up and the sugar dissolves. The mixture must reach approximately 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, so that the mixture can foam to the maximum and grow in volume. Once the temperature is reached, take it and pour it into the stand mixer. Begin to whisk at high-medium speed until ribbon stage is reached. Genoise is a traditional Italian sponge cake from Genoa. It does not use chemical yeast. The leavening agent in this cake is the air incorporated during the beating of the eggs, which will lift the cake in the oven during cooking. This type of cake is widely used in Italian and French cuisine. At this point, the preparation will be fluffy, thick, clearer in color, and the mixture will make ribbons that hold their shape. Transfer the preparation to a larger bowl to make easier the incorporation of the dry ingredients. Mix the pinch of salt with the flour and integrate to the batter in 2 or 3 times, sifting before integrating. Integrate with soft enveloping movements, taking care of not losing the air previously incorporated. Have you ever tried making this kind of cakes? Did you have any problems? Leave a comment down below with your experience. Add the vanilla essence and integrate in the same way. If you like this video, give it a like. Subscribe to my channel to continue learning pastry and watching new recipes. Don't forget to turn on all notifications so you don't miss when I upload a new video. Once the flour is fully incorporated, we are ready to pour the batter into the mold. Here I have a spring ring mold, 22 centimeters in diameter and 8 centimeters tall. It would be 9-inch diameter and 3-inch tall. The mold is previously buttered and with parchment paper in the bottom and the sides, and lightly buttered on the top as well. Pour the mixture into the mold carefully. Tap the mold against the counter once or twice to remove large bubbles. Finally, take to a preheated oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Cooking time depends on the oven you are using. It's better to know when a cake is ready. If we move the mold inside the oven and you see that the butter moves in the surface, it still lacks cooking time. If you move the mold and the butter doesn't move, touch it on the top by pressing gently, and if it remains sunk, then it needs little more time cooking. If you move the cake and it doesn't move, but when you press it over, it springs back to its original shape, then it means that the cake is ready. You can check it by poking with a toothpick or knife in the center of the cake, and it will come out clean. Once it comes out from the oven, let it cool from a few minutes and carefully unmold and let it cool completely. If you want to cut into layers, put the cake in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to cool down. The cake must be very cold so that it doesn't crumble too much. The genoise will be light and spongy. The cake itself is quite dry, but since its texture is like a sponge, we can wet it with simple syrup and it will absorb it without any problems. This cake is ideal to make layer cakes with moist creams. If you want a moister crumb, you can add a little melted butter to the preparation. 30 grams would be okay. Or if you prefer, you can simply sprinkle it with powdered sugar and eat it with rich coffee or tea. If you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel to continue learning pastry and watching new recipes. Don't forget to turn on all notifications so you don't miss when I upload a new video. Follow me on my social media on Instagram and Facebook to keep in touch. See you in the next video. Bye bye!